Hey guys, today we got a 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing that we're gonna be working on it. We're pretty much gonna do every single service that we do to it. We're gonna start off, of course, with washing the vehicle like we always do. We're gonna wash it, decon it, polish it before we even do anything to it, right? But just to recap what's getting done to it. So what is gonna get done to it is gonna be our level 2 paint protection film, which at this point is going to be the hood, the fenders, the lights, the bumper. We're going to take it a little bit extra on this one. We're going to do the carbon fiber, right? We're going to put a piece on this. We're going to put a piece on that. The black pieces as well, around the grill, up on the top. We're going to do the mirrors, of course. Then from there, we're gonna tint the windows as well. He went with our Pinnacle series. So at that point, he said he wants to do 25% for the sides and the back window. We're gonna do the windshield. I know it's not legal, but he decided to do with a 50% Pinnacle, just a little bit of color, nothing crazy. And then after that, we're gonna do our level 2 ceramic coating to the paint. So what the level 2 ceramic coating is, we're gonna be using our C-Corp Professional, which is our 6-year coating. We're still gonna buff the paint to make sure we get a good bond to it. We're gonna ceramic coat the faces of the wheels, and we're gonna ceramic coat the windshield as well. But you know, with that being said, let's get to it.
Facing life head on, blowing fresh at the door. No limits, all in it, yeah, be ready to soar. Every step that I take, every move that I make, anticipating, no more waiting, elevating the stakes. Some full stride, eyes open, captivating the scene.
All right, so now that the car is nice and prepped, we washed it, decon it. So now it's time to do the inspection of the paint to see the condition. Because remember, we're doing ceramic coating on it, so we want to make sure we have a good foundation. After inspecting the paint, the car only has 796 miles, so it's brand new. But it does have swirls in it. So definitely needs an actual correction. I see almost like a buffing mark, like somebody tried to buff this thing, but yeah, it doesn't look pretty. Yep. I feel like this car, they run it through the car wash a couple times. Automatic car wash maybe at the dealer. So I'm guessing that's where all this came from, because it's almost like a pattern going that way. I don't know if you guys can actually pick it up on the camera, but definitely needs correction. Which one of the questions that I get asked, especially when I'm talking to a customer, is that my car is brand new, does it really need a correction? My response and answer to that, unfortunately, it's yes, you do. Because unfortunately, dealers do not take care of the vehicles. The dealers will run it through the car wash, the automatic car wash, I don't know, as many times as they want. And once again, like I said, the car goes from assembly line into a parking lot. Sometimes it sits on the parking lot for a couple days, dusty, you know, gets dirty. After that, it goes into a transportation truck. It goes into the dealer, sits again on the parking lot. Maybe they run it through the car wash so the car looks clean, you know, so a consumer can see it. And then sit on a parking lot again, Then again, they run it through the car wash to make it clean. Long story short, they run it through the car wash. They don't take care of it. That I know of, and I can't speak for all dealers, right? That I know of, there is no actual dealer that buffs the vehicles before delivering it to somebody. They literally maybe put a sealant on it on the paint. If they sell you on their coating, they will put whatever coating they put on it, but that's pretty much it. Dealers do not have the actual experience that we have as a detail shop to buff a vehicle. But hopefully that kind of helps out a little bit when you're shopping for a vehicle. But you know, now it's time for the correction, so let's get to it. All right, so now while the car is getting prepped, now my job is to cut the film. So I already loaded up on the computer. Good example right here. It's our bumper, the splitter, carbon fiber pieces. Then here's the fenders, and then the hood. Right now, of course, I'm gonna cut the bumper first. Making sure this is a crucial part because you got to make sure everything's lining up right. We're using a 36-inch roll. Yeah, now we'll let the plotter do its thing. All right, so after the plotter is all completed, it takes a little bit, you know, depending how much stuff we put in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and roll it up, transfer it to the table, and we're gonna weed it out. So essentially all the excess material gets thrown out, unfortunately. And then all the little pieces that we're gonna need is what we're gonna keep in there. Cut it out, make it easier that way to transfer from here to the vehicle. Oh, doesn't want to slide. Cool. Got a little trick that I usually use. I use a little light to show me where the pattern is at. So come closer, I'll show you. So you guys don't get the idea, right? So weed everything out. Then after that, then we're gonna do the install. Nah, I don't want to bore you with this one, so let's fast forward it. All right, so everything's weed out. Time to do install now. so this one is wrapped. So 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. We did a bunch of services to it, like I said, right? So at this point, let me walk you through what got done to it, what happened, and show you the finished product. So at first, we did an inspection of the paint, right? And we actually found a couple flaws that we unfortunately needed to be addressed. We need to show the customer. And at that point, you know, it got taken care of, right? Which, with that being said, is now we can move on into show you what we really did to it. So we did, let's focus on the tint. We did the tints on it. We did the 4 doors and the back window. We did our Formula 1 Stratos, which is our top of the line ceramic film. At this point, you're gonna get 99.9% UV protection with a 97% infrared rejection. So you're gonna get the best of everything, better visibility, better heat reduction. And you know, it's our top of the line film for a reason. We did the windshield as well. On the windshield, we went with our Formula 1 Stratos 50%. I know it's not legal, but it gives a nice look to the vehicle, right? Unfortunately, state of Illinois, I know it's not legal to get the windshield done, but we could do it as long as you sign the waiver, you know? At that point, after we were done, what we did is we did a paint correction on the paint. So essentially we did a 1-step. It didn't need some like crazy. I know we show you in the video that it needed some correction. We did a mild pad with a mild compound. So at that point, we were able to get this results. We did 2 layers of our C-Corp Professional, which is our 6-year coating. We did to the body 2 layers. We ceramic coat the wheels. We ceramic coat the windshield. That's for the ceramic coat. As far as the paint protection film, what we did is we did our level 2 paint protection film, which essentially is the full front. It starts with the mirrors, left and right mirrors, the full hood, full fenders, the headlights, the bumper. Like I said, on this one, we were gonna take it a little bit extra, so we did the grille, the little black piece. We did the black pieces on this one as well. Of course, all the bumper. We did the carbon fiber on it to protect the actual carbon fiber itself. And now it's ready. Either daily drive it, take it to the track, but now it's nice and protected. Customer's gonna be happy. He's actually should be here anytime now. It's taken delivered today. So if you need any of these services or you have any questions about the services that we offer, give us a call. We'll leave the info down below. Like and subscribe, and then we're here to help. Thank you.